Good morning. Good morning, good day everyone, good evening. Happy Thursday. Happy Thursday times. How do you feel, guys? How was your day? Oh yeah. What are you up to? Welcome everyone. Welcome. What a lovely moment to continue and go for the targets. Go for the goals. And relentlessly do the best. As usually, guys, we're looking forward with our lovely community to become better and better. Thank you so much, guys. Come on. Let's see how we can adjust this and what's happening here on this account. What's going on with all those numbers and why is it starting with number 5 on the account balance? Are you guys aware? We're joking. We're having a good time. Oh yeah, selling mango is not functioning. Good evening, good morning. This is where we are. There's no losses in May on both accounts that are huge. Continuing trading the whole day. Our Lucid flexes, we've got 5. 4 of them are ready for max payout. Waiting for the 5th one, which is going to be something we're going to trade soon. Oh yeah. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Appreciate it. This is where we are on the Nasdaq price section. But before we get into, make sure to like the video, guys. Come on, we must collect 180 likes as usual. And you can invite your friends, all the community members, pretty much everywhere. You can go ahead and drop the message. Invite people on board, guys. Come on. Let's go. We're trading YRM, trading Lucid, trading the usual companies we're doing. Top one, Savius. Oh yeah. Buenos dias. Good morning, good day. Sitting on a 15-minute, fully confirmed. Look at that one. One of the most reliable lines that we have for the past quite a few hours is the 200 EMA on the 15-minute, which has not been lost. Have a look into that. It has not been lost. And we've been bouncing off the line, purple line. Sitting at 194 right now, so if we get a chance, that could be a level of another potential reaction, even though this specific local top we have, which is hidden right here, is actually putting more and more pressure for us to attack today's low, 113. Weekly VWAP. Is far away. Yeah. We don't have red folder news. No red folder. There's nothing of red folder today. Trading below the daily opening. On the 5-minute, the approach is different, guys. We'll be adjusting, we'll be continuing to improve. They transformed jobless claims from red folder into orange. Good morning, good day everyone. Oh yeah. I'm having a hard time If we do not reclaim levels above yesterday's high, which is 397 quite soon, I'm having a hard time believing today is going to be bullish. Lucid is rolling out payments in minutes. In minutes. So you can grab your accounts, guys, with Lucid. It's rolling out payments in minutes. Yeah. The day after Nvidia had their earnings, which were earnings crossing the desired levels, the prediction levels, including the data center revenue, which is important for the Nvidia situation. But I do not think that they were that bullish, guys. No. So I'm having a hard time. Look at that. If we do not reclaim 397, that's the level. Whatever we do below that, it's going to be bearish. Right? So whatever rejections you get below 397 mark is going to stay bearish. 397 needs to be converted for a bullish outcome. And that kind of opens the doors for... Yeah. That kind of opens the doors for the possibilities of hunting that 30 grand. Initial jobs, jobless claims is no longer a red folder as it used to be. They've changed that. It used to be a red folder, guys. Thank you so much, by the way, for joining. Appreciate it. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Come on. We're having a good time. We're having a good time. So, no. I'm a gambler, I'm not a trader. Do not get confused. Yes, I'm doing random trades, random not trades, bets, exactly like you say. Business Lens is popping in daily, having a good time, trash talking. Daily. Oh yeah. So, where are we? Yep. This is where we are. So there's some YRM trading. Yes. That's what he does pretty much everywhere. Because that's what he eats, probably. Probably. That's right. I'm a lucky gambler. Well, it's not an issue, right? Not an issue. Well, look at that retracement, guys, here. This is just nuts about a price action today. I'm telling you, that purple line right now in the 5-minute is going dirty. 15-minute. I would easily target 135 slightly above today's lows. Easily target. And I would consider the weekly VWAP 67 which is 180 points. Yeah, I'm joking. I'm obviously joking. So, pretty much all the traders that show performance are called by the ones that are losers, gamblers. This is by the ones that are losers and haters at the same time. It's not an issue if you are not making money today. It's not an issue at all. It's an issue if you're a hater. That's the big issue, right? I'm going to look into NBA. NBA madness. Consider looking into. Yep. This is just crazy, guys. Look at this price action. How are we supposed to deal with this? Like Lucid get their profit. Once you request and it's approved, the resources are deducted. That's the way it works. Let's just pull up Quant Tower. We got to do some nice money on that 5th account that we've got funded. Oh yeah. Well, this is pretty complicated, guys. Yeah, usually takes a few minutes, exactly. Lucid had cases where people lost in the very next few minutes thousands of dollars, and that's just crazy. Right? So it takes 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 8 minutes, 10 minutes till you get approved. But in this 10 minutes, people lost the accounts. Or lost a sufficient amount of money, no longer being able to cover the requested value, which is crazy. Right? So you have to allocate 5 to 10 minutes for them to deduct those resources away and approve your payout. That's crazy. Not to do it. If you have KYC problems, then that's another thing. KYC situations are another thing, especially if you've been rejected on the KYC, you might need a manual verification, and that's a whole different thing. But once your KYC is sorted out, it takes minutes for the payout. I mean, good movement. There is some volatility popping up here, but I don't know how to trade this one, guys. And I think one of the most important qualities you need to have is to say, I don't know how to trade this. So obviously you don't trade that. Right? So accepting situations that you don't know how to trade, which are situations you have to be out. And I think I'm saying these things daily. But I would say it today in a different way. Like I told you, I don't know how to trade this. Maybe a short right now. Maybe a short right now. Yeah. Maybe a short right now. So we have shorted on Lucid as well. We're shorted on Lucid, guys. On our 5th funded account. Yeah, probably that has to be adjusted manually. But you're fine about a payout. Like Lucid is the #1 prop firm by far right now in the industry. By far. Oh yeah. I'm going 5 minutes short on this one, guys. We have $1,400, right? You see, we're trading this account quite careful. I'm selling 2 contracts. I sold 2 more, and the rest of it remains stop loss break even. We've secured $655, guys. Ha ha ha. Oh, there you go. Lovely. $657, fully confirmed. Congratulations. What a lucky gambler. Here we are. This is day number 4, by the way. 1,952 profit. Boom. And I think this is valuable because this is the 5th account. So let me go through your questions right now, guys. Bear with me for a second. But this was an important trade, and I can tell you why. You might just right. This is the way it looks like. A fresh funded account that we have been trading in a different way and a different scale. That's a very interesting on the 100,000 Pro account. Very interesting. How long can you leave a funded account without activating? Once the evaluation is complete is a question that I have no clear answer. But the thing is, I had funded accounts that were not activated for weeks, but they didn't cross 30 days. And I had no problems. Maybe the inactivity rule, or maybe that doesn't apply because it's not active, right? Maybe it's forever. But for 100% accuracy, you have to reach out to support for that. Lucky price action trader, here we are. Yeah, until you need it, maybe that's the right way to consider. That would be logical. However, you have to double check from the official sources. So we're trading the Lucid Big Boys flexes out here. This is the 5th account, guys. I mean, it's comfortable, right? You see, I'm not rushing anywhere. Why would I? We got 4 of them ready for a payout. What's up? Welcome. I don't think I'm gonna push this one today anymore. 657 is good. 1,952 is great as well. Essentially, tomorrow would be the 5th day, and we could go for a payout. But we wouldn't be able to do max payout on this one, unless we do a lot of money tomorrow, right? Which might not happen, because I'm not simply exposing to such risks. Yeah. I'm simply not exposing to such risks. I'm watching it. And I am wondering, guys, the way we could approach this. Yep. Oh yeah. Yeah, well, look at us. Something like this. Something like this. A smart way to run this account. On a 50,000 flex, what do you guys think about those values? Maybe that 621 or maybe today's 650 is a little too much, but keeping things between, yeah, 250, 400s. Yeah. I think this is great. I mean, you know, this is the sustainable model, which is having a higher efficiency than max contracts that I've been doing. Trust me, I've burned accounts to be able to take those big boys at 500,000 plus have other two ready. But, you know, with a full payout, I'm going to get all that money back, 15 grand. And then I have the rest of the payouts coming in, putting me on profit for this. This was like an experiment, guys. Now this way is different. This way is different. When you trade 200, 300, 400, and think about it, you can trade this way and have a big drawdown of 4,500. And I think that's the lovely part. I think that's the lovely part. This is holding. I'm going to put up a new video about Lucid soon. A very interesting strategy I got for you guys. Just have to put together the main ideas of the video, main ideas of the strategy, and I'm going to film it. An account that allows for a drawdown of 100 grand? We don't have with 100 grand. We only have with 300. Or with 350. If that's too much, then you can ask for help. And we've got some of the guys here in our community that can help you easily get rid of the drawdown. Experts in making drawdowns disappear. Oh yeah. Unfortunately, I'm the other side of the gambling, that I make drawdowns to flourish. Look at that, guys. Are we going to dip here? Tell me. Maybe just a little bit, right? Lovely profits. We got in a trade, guys, by the way. 7 minis here long. You guys like this? I sold partially. Stop loss break even. That's such a silly, weak reaction so far. Should have been going higher than the 30s with this 1 minute we've got. I've been down here at 300 bucks on the account, so selling even more. Yeah, I'm fully out. $400 profit. Let me take that money, guys. It's important right now. The account is down, but we're waiting for a payout from YRM of 3,000 bucks. Actually, 2,700 net payout for YRM. Running a cheap 150k account. Yeah. Yeah. Well, 10,000. Assuming that I started from 4,500. Right? I only had 4,500 drawdown. Assuming with more than double, 10,000, my chances should be better. The thing is, a very important part would be the first 50,000 of that, right? So bringing that 10,000 to 50. As soon as I'm sitting on 50, I mean, I can show you, how do you call? Yeah, the account is here. This is 503. Where's the account on the other side? So the 503, if we question the beginnings, like the way I performed at the beginnings, which is not this month, in May, not in April. In April, we had some losses, guys. And for example, to be able to digest 36,000 and 3,000, you need resources to be able to digest that and continue trading. So if I have 30 grand loss while sitting on 70 and I lose half of my portfolio of the account size is a problem. I certainly have to adjust the losses differently for such an account, but this is the way it was at the beginning. This is for March, right? The first month. I mean, it has to be like that. It has to be like that. I can take losses, but I have to control my losses. They have to be sitting below 10,000. Yeah. But think about, this is what's needed. Right? So this is making the difference. And then this. You see, these 3 days allowed me to speak a different language. This is what you guys need as well when it comes down to building buffer or simply building a live account. Right, so you have to leave winners producing you while you max speed the sizing you can do. And of course, you have to make 200 points, 150 points on max sizing. So imagine being on live and not stopping at 5,000 profit, not stopping at 10,000 profit, not stopping at 20. When you know you can take that money out at the end of the day. And I'm telling you, this is not easy. So, without these days, without leaving runners, I'm not bothered streaming. I'm not bothered. Oh, look at that dump. If I would be bothered, I wouldn't do. I have never did things that I didn't want to do. Never. But I can 12 AC. If your target is 1 million, you should be accepting to lose 20, 30 accounts that are live and starting with 10,000 each. You should be accepting to give that back as an exchange of a target of 1 million. Think about this. Think about this. You should be accepting the idea to exchange 20, 30 accounts that are each starting with 10,000 on the live stage. You should be accepting a such relation between the costs and benefits. So, I think I could do something like this if I would have 30 available accounts of 10,000 each in the live stage, pushing for 1 million from 10,000. But I need to have 30 available with 10,000 each. And at that ratio, I have good chances, right? So from 30 accounts, I only need 3 days at the beginning of my stage for the runners, for the price action, to give me 200, 250 points on great sizing, right? So I need 3 days of 200, 250 points on big sizing. And that oh, look at that. Depends on the markets. Oh, look at that, guys. I mean, today's trading is nuts. Today's trading is nuts. This level is getting protected. Thank you so much, by the way, for joining. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Come on, let's pull up the numbers. Bring up the numbers. Raise the volume. Invite your friends. Invite everyone. Come on, guys. Let's go. 30 accounts of 10,000 each on live. It's costing 300 grand. The target is 1 million. It's worth it. So testing out a little long from here. We're dumping because we had NVIDIA earnings announced yesterday. And this is the way we've been acting lately after NVIDIA. It's nervous today, and it's certainly having some difficulties up here, guys. Look at that. That's the price action you're dealing with, guys. Look at that. Oh, yeah. So we should not forget the possibilities at any point to dump 2,000 points that would not make anything bearish out of this. The whole structure would still remain bullish for the price action to be pushed back above 30 grand, right? So if we come down to 27,000 from here, we're still very bullish for the movement all the way back about 30 grand. Eventually, we might need that to touch the 30 grand. We might need that. Might be a necessary element. Look at a 4 hours perspective. 4 hours perspective in the way we're closing in 57 minutes is not a good sign. It is a pretty powerful lower high. We got this triple structure, and you could have a form of head and shoulder here, right? Back to 27,000. What do you guys think about? I mean, this 4 hour candle we just run right now. We're running is making this picture complicated. Your 4 hour says an hour and 57 minutes. My one says 57 minutes. Yeah, it's always dumping after the earnings. So we clearly see how the weekly opening 135 is important there. It's also previous short-term supply. If that converts, you have a pretty strong higher low. And then tensions will increase. So what does it mean? It means the following. This level, convert it. The one I mark with yellow, which is where we have the weekly opening, 135. Convert that one and just bounce. And then we can continue for our 30,000. Right, then we have a double bottom with a higher low. And we're going to break out of this. There's going to be a trending line here. We're going to break out. And obviously, you will target 30,000 and slightly above 30,000. I wouldn't mind a range here. But there has to be a limit for the range. And what's the lower side limit of the range? Do we consider this one or do we consider this one? The lower side limit of the range, where we could say, well, it's no longer a range. We've crossed this one. We've crossed the border of the range pattern, and now we're expecting a downtrend. Good morning, good day, everyone. Yeah, I think yeah, I can trade micros, exactly. I can DCA micros and have that $250 forever. Thank you for your invitation, buddy. Unfortunately, not going to be there. But I appreciate your great words and approach. Thank you. You must be having a good time. And I'll reach out. We have community members in Florence, in Florenza. We have community members from Florenza. I'll reach out when we get there. Probably going to get there soon. But not this year. That's where I had the honeymoon in Italy. And we spent 2 weeks there. But most of the other weeks, we've been out 6 weeks. Most of the other weeks were spent in Italy. Yeah, I want to get back there quickly. $263,000? Oh. 263,000 made last night? Oh. You're probably joking, right? So let me see your question. You went over $100 on a 50,000 flex account. 50% bonus. They increased it. What do you mean by 50% bonus? Like, I prefer the flex because it's no consistency. If consistency is not bothering you, and if you can have right now direct accounts on Lucid with that 50%, it's just $420. I mean, just think about the following. With Lucid Flex, if you're making 6%, you only get funded. With Lucid Direct, by making the same 60%, you get paid. So think about it. Same 6% in a case will get you paid. I'm out of this trade here. $945 profit. Totally. Pretty good. 50% consistency rule. Yes. Yes. Tinkercad, that's right. You make 9,000, you get 3. But with a flex, you make 9,000 to pass, and then you have to make money as well. You have to make money as well to cash out. So if consistency is not an issue, direct accounts are good as well, like instant funded. Although I suggest you to test out the flexes as well. They're really good. You see where trading flexes. For me, it's a much better choice. Yeah. Flexes will require you to make 15 grand to take that 3,000 out, 9,000 and 6,000. Flex is not having daily loss limit. No. 50% consistency explanation. Very simple. Your highest day of profit should not be worth more than 50% of your total profits. Again, your highest day of profit should not be worth more than 50% of your total profit. If you need to do total profit 10,000, because that's what the target is, for example, then your highest day, if you have 50% consistency, should not cross 5,000, because that's 50% of the target, right? So, if we speak about a daily loss limit, for most of the people, that's not a problem, and that's not a bad thing. They have a daily loss limit, right? That's right. It's $3,000, the daily loss limit for the 150. Right? For most of the people, that's not a problem, guys. Because most of the people would actually blow the entire account if they wouldn't have that daily loss limit on that day. The max loss is 5,000. So the distance between your daily loss and max loss is $2,000. In a day where you reach 3,000 and you don't have a daily loss limit, it's very likely you hope to recover and lose an extra 2,000. It's very likely. So having this daily loss limit here is kind of protecting you in a very positive way. Most of the people would lose an extra 2,000 without stopping earlier. It's just consistency for the evaluation on Lucid Flex, correct. It's 50%. So you should not cross by 50%. Cut your target by half and you discover the value that you shouldn't cross. Exactly, Sean. So like I said, I believe if I need to trade not like this, because for this formula with this numbers, the daily loss limit is not helping me. But the other accounts you've seen where we made 200, 300, 400, if I have to trade like that, a daily loss limit saves me. Saves me from situations where I would fail, which are happening from time to time. What kind of question is that? Soft breach. There is no such a thing hard breach. Soft breach. What do you mean hard breach? Oh. Yeah, consistency for evaluation on flexes. We all like that. Let's just get back between the markets right now a little more and see where are we. Let's just get back between the markets and see where are we. Yeah, hard breach is a thing. I mean, daily loss limit, hard breach is on Savius. And that's why the accounts are so cheap. Right now, the 150,000 instant funded is $299. I mean, if you stop trading before touching your daily loss limit because you do, you know, limit orders and stop losses and you control the process, you don't have a problem with that. But most of the people cannot control. Yes, I always got 150,000 direct, and that's from where we got great payouts. Before, it was flex accounts. Since we have the flex accounts, I've been going with the flex accounts. Oh, yeah, that's a problem. That's a problem. Yeah, exactly. Instant funded with a target on 5%, and it's very cheap. Sean, exactly. That's with Savius. For those of you that are interested, you can certainly have a look at that, guys. Scramble coupon code from now on will always work with the best discount available, and we're going to have continuous discounts. I've changed that with them. So let me share with you. You got to be part of our community. Yes. So what's the game plan for today? I'm expecting basically 135 and possibly the weekly VWAP, which is on the 70s. I incline towards shortness today. As soon as this level breaks, and that's somewhere around the 200s, right? So as soon as the 200s breaks, I'd like to keep up with the shorts. We got our daily VWAP back. That's what rejected us earlier, guys. The daily VWAP is very, very close to the purple line. Look at that. And we have a double rejection from there. So the markets right now are getting squeezed between these two levels that I'm marking with yellow. The 200s and the 200 and the 300s, basically. The 200s and the 300s. That's where we are squeezed today. Yeah. These are the new Lucid $500,000 accounts. We got 503. Gotta cut my loss from here. If we do not react at this point, could be a bit of a bouncing going around this corner. Come on, big boy. Yeah. Yeah, 20 minis would be interesting. 20 minis would actually be $400 a point. 10 points, 4,000. 100 points, 40,000. That's going to speed up a lot the fact that we could get this account to 1 million. And then we brought an account to 1 million from a drawdown of 4,500. It's good. But this is a pretty bad situation here. Might need to cut a little. Yeah. Testing out along on this big boy account. All the accounts on Lucid are fully traded to the... We can play with these big ones, but all the other ones are fully traded today. That's why we can play with the big ones. Max payout. Probably about 15. But I want to take from 5 accounts, 15. 5 accounts, 15. 75. Oh yeah. Yes. Hmm. Oh yeah. $15,005 accounts. Yes. Because you take 5 payouts on each. Drawdown on your profits. Evaluation versus funded stage. Like, can you rephrase your question? Pine, please rephrase your question. I mean, I'm requesting in one go, but from 5 accounts. I've been waiting to have 5 ready for the whole payout. We got 4 ready, so we could technically cash out 12 grand from 4 accounts. But I'm waiting for the 5th one to be ready. And then I take from a single shot 15 grand. And then I can trade $250 for another 5 days. And have a good shot again. And so on. Looks like, you know, this is risky, guys, at this point, too. Yeah. Pretty risky at this point. Not copy trading here, no. It's not going to violate, no. It's not violating. The max drawdown stops and it becomes static. It stops at some point, it no longer follows you, it becomes static. For example, on this account, the max drawdown stopped at $150,000 and $100. So it's $350,000 away. Once you reach the size, the value of your max loss in profits, the drawdown becomes static. For a 25k Pro, it stops once you made 1,000. Once you made your max loss in profit, right? So the value of your max loss needs to be made. Thank you. How long? Well, this is how long. This is the performance from March. This is the account. We started in March, 16th of March. That's when we started. Yes, it locks in forever. Never moves. So as soon as you made in profits the value of your max loss, the drawdown stops on your original balance plus $100. And then April. And then we traded May. Right, so it's just 2 months and a few days. We made 350 grand. 2 months. And a couple of extra days. $2% is not an issue if you have 6%. is not an issue. It's not a violation. The violation for the max loss only gets triggered when you touch the value of your max loss. The value of the max loss is always going to be stated. And you have to check that at the beginning of the day. It wouldn't have been bad to copy trade this on 5 accounts. But I think that's kind of impossible to think about. It's a very ambitious challenge. I mean, I can think about it for the future. Make sure to join our Discord community, guys. We're out here. Make sure to join our Discord community. Feel free to be onboarded and sign up for the giveaways today. Like the video, we must hit minimum 180 likes. Keep that in mind. I don't like this. I don't like this price action. Oh yeah, I like it. I like it especially for my YRM trade. Probably I'm going to get out a little here. And put the rest of it on stop loss break even. Market open soon. I'm out here for this one. And I'm out from here as well. 5,600 on the opening, guys. $5,600 on the opening. Oh my gosh. $5,600 on the opening. Look at that. Not trading gold. Not trading gold. I trade a New York session, yes. Especially on these big accounts. Oh yeah. Look at a 12 AC. He's criticizing my model of trading. He always wants me to pull up the performance. Why do you make me pull up the performance? No idea how much of this profits will be moved to live. No idea. But look at that price action. We gotta lose some money on our YRM, guys. We gotta lose some money here. It's a little too much. Oh, yeah. Got rejected on the daily opening. Market's feeling a pain. But I'm gonna test out a little short. 10 minutes short. Let's see. Oh yeah. Ha 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 ha. Oh yeah. $6,000. Stop loss break even. I don't want to lose anything. Oh. It has not been touched. No way. This is teasing me. Oh. Look at that. We have a point, guys. We have a point. My stop loss is on 208.5. And this went all the way to 27.5. That's 1 point away, guys. Oh, it has been touched. Oh. This is a very interesting level we're sitting at right now. I do so. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Appreciate it. But this might be nasty here. Testing out a short, guys. No, that's not the right direction, buddy. That's not the right direction. Just feel free to come back. No. I've shorted from the other big boy account too. Gotta put a stop loss break even. Yeah. Reshorting higher. This is risky. I'm reshorting on the daily opening. But that's such a nasty movement. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Yes, correct. That's correct. Lovely. Ha ha ha. Nah. I like this. Incredible pump. But you gotta relax. Oh my gosh. You gotta relax. That whole pump might just come all the way back. And then I got the top, shorting the top. So this one should go way below 170. If the markets are running organic and naturally, and they aren't touched by the market makers, this should go way below 170. Oh. That would have touched my break even. That would have touched my break even, Cabrera. Now I can do break even right now. But if I would have said earlier, that would have touched my break even, right? Don't you dare pushing this one back. That would be so silly. Don't you dare doing that. We all need this one below 170s. We all need that. Below 170s. Press the pedal. And Mag 12 AC suffer. He has to pay the price of success. Make him suffer. Not hedging. Break even touched. Testing a short here, 10 minis. It's very risky. Bring it all the way down below 170s. It wasn't long. Both are short. One was making money, the other was losing because we have opened our shorts at different prices. Ha ha ha. Lovely, guys. No, we're having a difficult time here. Watch out. We're having a difficult time here for this structure. Watch out. And that Nvidia pump? Nah. You see, that didn't happen on Nasdaq. Nah. I don't like it. But I like my $6,000 profit on this trade. I like it. And I'm not going to sell this quite easily. I can tell you. I have a stop loss break even here, guys. Bring it down. One is 490. The other is 500 plus. Yeah, one is this one. 495 with 10. Oh, yeah. Ha ha ha. 494. What a buying pressure, guys, there. I'd like to have this one below 174. $12 AC, do you short the market or are you trying to fight with me? Oh my gosh, look at that. This is such a silly candle, I can tell you. This is such a silly candle. No. Snapping all that profit away. What a silly candle, guys. Oh my gosh, what a fake market. Unbelievable. Probably got to get out of my short from the other account. Look at that fake candle. Wow. Look at this, guys. That's unbelievable, right? Not taking this liquidity from here and even lower is such a shame. Is such a lame shame. You would not say. Get out here. 675 loss. Lost 675. I don't like this, guys, at all. This is totally unpredictable. Yeah. 580 profit on the other side, and this one is down 675. And then watch this one coming all the way back. Just as my shorts were needed. Look at that one, guys. We were 10 minutes short on both sides. What's wrong with you? Ha ha ha. Scrambo's on fire today, guys. Prop's getting terrified, I can tell you about it. Prop's getting terrified big time. Rapid. Oh yeah. Look at that. We had a short, guys, on 10 minis. What's up? Good morning, good day, everyone. We have not been building this accounts to 500,000 with a purpose. With a specific purpose. We've been just trading them normally. Yeah, I couldn't do it on a real account, so I did it here. Wow. They kicked me out of my 10-minute short, guys. What a silly price action. Can you believe that? We've been trading this accounts normally next to the others we have. Without any other specific purpose. That short was excellent for sure. But you see how does the break-even stop loss kicks you out? And you become a tire kicker. Now, we're not eating today. We're down 675. We're not eating anything today. No bread and butter today. 675 down. There's nothing I can do about this. We're only going to have water today. There you go. And it's pumping. Ha 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 ha. We have too much money here on the YRM. And I'm pulling towards Savius because simply I mean, I'm not going to end up on a minus 675. Probably will have to do something to change that. Let me try to make some money. Making sure we're not going to lose 675, right? Yes. We're down 675. What do you guys expect me to do? We're gonna go beans today. Oh. We're gonna call it off on anything else on the no more Florentini. That's right. From the beginning, from 2014, when I was 20 years old. And I lied big time. I remember I went into my dad. I started 2014 with a BTC with Bitcoin. Hungary. And I lied to him. I told him it's not possible to start off trading, right, with 500, 1,000, 2,000. You're not allowed to deposit. That's not allowed. You gotta give me 30,000. It's not allowed for me to deposit 1,000. You have to give me 30,000. I don't have to trade with the money. I only have to deposit it. But I got financed. And that whole money disappeared quickly. Oh, yeah. I don't need to trade with that money. Just give me that money. Because that's the minimum deposit, 30 grand. And I got it. I was 20, guys. Yeah, we do have our own accounts for many, many years, but not in the futures trading and day trading. No day trading. No, no, no. Some lessons are expensive, some are painful. It met both criterias. I mean, I expect painful from my expectations. I expected a different result. I expected a different outcome, guys, at the time I started, and at 20, exactly 20. 2014. So I expected a different outcome. That's why it was painful. And it wasn't expensive for me. I didn't put my skin in the game at all. Then I had to reach out again. What a time. I had to reach out again. And then it wasn't the last time I reached out for sure. What a time. More than 100 in props. I learned a lot from them. They built me. They built me. That's very good. 500 to 7,000. So 30 grand on your side would have been much better. They knew I had no chance. And they also knew I was lying. They knew it. He knew it. He knew it I was lying. He knew it I had no chance to make money from that. But he was looking for other objectives in this exercise. What's happening with Quantower? Oh yeah. Reversing, pumping, dumping. Doing nasty Nasdaq type of things, right? Yeah, we're down 675. I needed that experience, guys. I needed so much that experience. Short-term pain. Exchange for long-term success. I can make it worse, Cabrera. Give me 2 minutes. Give me 2 minutes. I could have another digit there. 6,700. Yeah, 6,750s. The problem is, I don't like the color on the dashboard. It's not bad. $50, Litecoin. You were among the first ones exchanging Litecoin. Oh yeah. What are we gonna do with this 675, guys? Testing out a 5-minute short. You know, it's difficult to make money here by shorting. I'm out. We're $62 profit. Having resources is difficult. It's extremely easy to fail with resources. To fail your life. Maybe not financially fail, but to fail your life. You might be financially stable with resources, but you can very easily fail your life. Yeah, Bitcoin Talk. I was out there on Bitcoin Talk every day at that time in 2014-15. Bitcoin Talk, exactly. Yeah. It was the major forum of cryptos back in the day. So right now in $62, it's gonna be a green logo on my dashboard. I don't mind it. Let's just out a 2-minute short here. 2-minute short for a continuation. I'm out. 435. Look at that, guys. How easy it is to make money. 435 profit. Celebration time. Oh, yeah. Boom. Ha 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 ha. Boom. Celebration time. 435. That's sufficient. The other account has 580. I'm obsessed with the red color. I don't want to see that red color appearing and messing up my dashboard. Right? You guys know that. Think about. If it's easy, then finance me with $500,000. And I do $500 a day. Copy trading my accounts here. Is here formula? Oh yeah, here's the formula, guys. Here's the formula. I did forgot to post in our Discord. I just put it right now. So let me go to Savius right now on my Quant Tower and do some crazy type of trading. for my 3 brand new 150,000 accounts that are only 299 bucks. Oh yeah, 299 bucks for 150,000 instant funded on Savius. This one's no 759. We don't want to pay 759. Take that price away. We pay 299. Target 5%. Here's the link, by the way, for those of you that are needing it. What's the catch with Savius? The catch with Savius is simple. The daily loss limit. This one, the daily loss limit, cannot be touched unless you want to lose your account. How do you avoid touching your daily loss limit? You avoid touching your daily loss limit by putting a stop loss below that value. So if your daily loss limit for the 150,000 is 2,000 bucks, stop trading at 1,500 and count it as a $1,500 daily loss that you should not cross. If you do this, you don't care about their hard breach on their daily loss. $299. Oh. Let's trade some nice little Savius big boys. Where are you, big boy? Here. 3 accounts of 150,000. I like it a lot. Discount for Savius 60 or 65%. But you have to be part of our community on Savius. It's the only way Scramble code works. If you're part of our community there, so you have to sign up on that link if you don't have an account from us. And then Scramble code is going to give you 60 or 65, something like that right now, making the account $299 for the 150k. Which is something I'm about to start trading out here. But I'm going to do copy trading, guys. Believe it or not, I'll be doing copy trading. And I'm going to test out a short very soon. Here. Yep, 2 minutes short. 2 minutes short. I'm out. $592 profit on all the 3 accounts. Time for the fireworks. You see, it's not hard, guys. Boom. There you go. There you go, guys. Lovely. Not an issue if you already have a tap on futures account. I will only need your email. Scrambo's on fire. Prop firm's getting terrified. You have a hidden message in Formula. You think you're winning today. We must hit the likes. Come on, guys. Hit the likes, everyone. Gotta lose some money from this YRM. We have 2,200. That's not acceptable, guys. We gotta lose all the way down to 1,600. Oh, yeah. Lose, lose. I'm testing out a short here. And I'm out. 944 profit. 944 profit. Fireworks. Oh yeah, come on. Hit the road. Hit the dance floor, guys. Come on, hit the floor. Beautiful. It's not the flex we're trading the Savius account here. Trade C. Yep, I do have Trade C tutorial. I tried it. And I don't like it. 944 profit. Boom. Let's get a nice payout on Savius. What do you guys think about? Should I be really, really focused on having a nice payout on Savius from this 3 accounts? No. You're not allowed to do tick scalping. 1, 2 ticks. Tick scalping is a problem. I'm reshorting 2 minis here. It's risky. It's risky. It's risky. It's risky, I can tell you guys. It's risky. It's not a good entry. It's not a good entry. But I'm going to reshort it. I'll DCA. 3 minutes DCA. Bring it a little lower. Just a little lower. I'm out. 1,412, guys. 1,412. There you go. That's all I need. The max profit per day is 1,500. It's 20% consistency on a 5% target, guys. This is the first day. It's just $2.99 for Savius. Instant funded with 5% target. Avoid the daily loss limit. It's a hard breach. Quant Tower. You get this in Quant Tower, where you open up account info, right? So Quant Tower, and you open up account info. And then you see this thing. No more fasting today. We get back to Bogabantes. You know, guys, what does it mean, Bogabantes? Are you familiar with Bogabantes? Volumetric is very good. Yeah. Bad fills and not good for good trades, exactly. Not good for good trades. I would say that. Bogabantes. No, it's a food. We don't have Spanish people here, do we? I think we have a lot of Spanish fellas out here. Paella con bogabantes. Probably gonna have that today. Paella con bogabantes. I mean, we hit the max profit here on 3 accounts. What else do I have to do? We have to lose some money on YRM, guys. It's too much money made, 2,985. We have to lose here all the way down to 1,600, so let's just short the price. And lose like 1,300. Yeah, let's lose that 1,300. Deep Charts Volumetrica is the best right now. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. We shouldn't make money here. We shouldn't. I'm gonna get out of this trade. We're gonna lose more than 4,275. Watch me out losing more. If I long it, we're making money. You guys trust me? Look at that. We gotta lose here all the way down to 1,600. But I'm sitting on a bad reflex of printing money continuously. So the Savius one is gonna be a real important challenge right now, guys, for me. I'm gonna do my best to take this account that I made today, 1,400. I'm gonna do my best to take this account to pay out. I only have to do 4 more days like this. Thank you so much, by the way, for joining. Appreciate it. Thank you. Look at that. I told you we're making money if I long it. 6,445. I need to freaking lose. You see, this is why the no consistency accounts are very good. The no consistency accounts are very good. Very, very good. Giveaways will be soon. We don't have to hurry. We live an unbothered life, enjoying things calmly, and having the right time to taste every single detail of the events that we are going through. Isn't that right, 12AC? Look at that. If I want to lose, I suppose to long it here at the top. Let's do it. And I'm out here. So lost a little. I'm happy with that. I'm reshorting now. Maybe it's bouncing back. Watch me losing intentionally. Ha ha ha. I'm out here. Lovely. We gotta lose a little more because of the consistency. Brian. 12AC. ACDC. That's his real name. Brian Kennedy. For the flash, 6%. Let me short this. I want to lose some money, guys. Come on, help me. 6%. I mean, you don't have a daily target other than the 50% consistency. The total, that would be $1,500, so daily. 6% total profit, attention. 6% total profit, which is 3,000. I just wrote you right now, 3,000 total, but do not cross 1,500 per day. They will be strict, yes. They will be strict. We're going to do the giveaway soon, guys. We're going to do the giveaway soon. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Come on, let's bring the videos. So let's bring 200 likes, new target. 200 likes, new target, everyone. Oh, yeah. If it's a exception, it's not going to be a problem if this is an exception. But if you are running a type of trading that's general language, it's going to be a problem. So depends on that. If this is an exception, it's not an issue. If this is your general language of trading, it is an issue. Looks like we're having a difficult time losing. We're having 8,000 bucks here. This is such a bad thing, guys. I've had a good time here bouncing. I'm off and I'm reshorting here. I need to lose. Like, seriously, we have to lose. Oh my gosh. The new target for the likes is going to be 200, everyone. Make sure to sign up for the 4 below. And then we got you trading on the Lucid. YRM. Cheapest challenges in the world. But they have a very slow payout right now. So you might be just better waiting if you don't like that until everything is fixed. I tell you. Oh yeah. I like it. I just have to lose some money here. Dark trader. Oh. If I would have had my stop loss, look at that. This would have hit my stop loss of 4,900, the needed value, the time we wicked the upside earlier, guys. There you go, we got a 200. Good job, everyone. Good job. Almost 200. Oh, there you go. We got it right now. Wow. Look at the price here. I've been telling you about the weekly opening 135. I'm having a hard time believing this is not going to touch 135 today. By the way, this whole thing looked, look at that. Proper structure with a triple high representation on the London. You nicely play with people minds, and the New York session brings it above, fakes out the whole picture. People get enthusiastic on longs, dreaming about 30,000, which never comes today, and then you smash that red button, nosediving the price action. That's a quite heavy one, guys. Prop firms are celebrating, they're making money when this is happening, and this is where we are. Thank you so much, fellas. Thank you so much. Time to organize the giveaways. Oh yeah. So we're gonna get started with Tap 1 futures. For those of you that are interested, Elite Daily, which are daily payouts, model accounts, and no consistency on the funded stage. A very interesting one. Yeah, I'm gonna reshort here. We have 8,800. Yeah. Let's have it this way. So that's what we're gonna give out for the first giveaway. First giveaway. Let me bring up the links for everything. Is gonna be Elite Daily from the Tap 1 futures. You got a link here, guys, for those of you that are interested to grab your accounts on max discount, scramble coupon code. So where are we? What do we need? We need a wheel. We need a formula, and then we need a ducks. Time for the wheel. Oh, look at that. Ha 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 ha. I'm out of this silly thing. 15 grand profit. Oh my gosh. We gotta lose 13. And believe me, we're gonna lose that money. Look at that. No activation fee. No activation fee. Zero activation fee, guys. It's a very interesting account. Very interesting. No activation fee. None of the accounts we share are having activation fees. Elite Daily. So, how do you participate? Make sure to complete a form. Make sure to complete a form, everyone. Complete a form. How do you participate? Well, that's how you participate, by completing the form. If you want to join for the giveaways, like the video. Be subscribed to the YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell. We're streaming from Monday to Friday. You certainly want to get notified whenever we post, whenever we start our streaming, and whenever we get onboarded with new materials, which I'm planning to have a great video on Lucid quite soon. Ho ho ho. And maybe have a review out there with another company. Yeah, very interesting company. Have a review. Yeah. Yep. There's a lot. Next month, early next month, I'm gonna be in a holiday. I'll let you know. Not the first week, probably the second week of June. Second week of June, probably we're gonna be in holiday. But we're gonna post some videos for that one. Yeah. Oh yeah. So. Time for us to get started. Only a single guess per person, guys. Do not guess multiple times. Only a single number. This is going to be between 0 and 5. Let me know your best choice. Let me know your best choice. Yes, I'm going to travel a little bit. With the kids, with the whole family. You can start right now between 0 and 5. A single number. Let me know your best choice. I don't know yet the destination. No idea. Wife is gonna take care about this. No idea where I'm gonna go. Kids and wife, they're playing games on a map, and we go. Yes. I don't mind it at all. I'm having a good time. So keep it running, guys. Keep it running. You never know what's going to hit on the map. They're going to play a game. Wait, stop right there. No more guesses, it's over. No more guesses, it's over. Stop right there. Shuffle, and we're good to go. Best of luck, everyone. Maybe it's gonna hit North Korea. If that's gonna hit, guys, you're gonna see me for the last time before I leave, right? That could be number 5 for the winners. Could be number 5. What if North Korea comes, guys? Oh. Well, we got the blue entry badger, and probably that's for you, right? Number 5 for the winners. Congratulations. That was an easy one. It was so clear. When Badger has a blue color on chat, you gotta go with the blue entries. Congratulations for the winners. This is the first giveaway. We have a few more. Hey, 5 for 500,000. Didn't thought about it. There you go, Maddie. Maddie's a very smart guy, by the way. He knows the answers. Look at that. Here we are. Only 40 players out here, 30 seconds competition time. The first one is not going to win anything, but the second one will. Right, so only the second one wins. Let's just have some sadistic spiciness here. For 12AC to enjoy this ride. The second one is the winner, actually. Yes. Yes, I do. I would start selling. I can create a prop firm in North Korea. There you go. Fly me to the moon. Fly. You got this one, fly. But you're actually the winner, which is not the winner, because Fred is the real winner. Congratulations, Fred. The second one. I told you, Fred. You made it, buddy. Congratulations, Fred. Did you fill up the form? Badger is there on the 7th. Had a good time. Let's just verify if you have the form filled up. Yes. Totally confirmed. There you go. Congratulations. Congratulations, there you go. Continuing with the next giveaway, guys. With the next giveaway, which is the heavy one, right? Let me tell you, this is a heavy one. You want to win this. It's a 50,000 Lucid Pro. 50,000 Lucid Pro. 50,000 from 500,000. We always deal with this number starting with 5. 50,000 Lucid Pro. We're only going to have 2 different numbers, but multiple entries. So I'm going to trick you. Right? So we're going to have double 7 and 5, number 5. You can start right now. Let me know your best choice, guys. Start right now. Come on. Double 7, 5, number 5. Give me your best choice. Number 5, because we got to 500,000. This is a 50,000 Lucid Pro. Remember that. Everyone is going with a number 5? Why? Stop right there. No more guesses. No more guesses. We have someone going with a number 2. Thank you. So this is going to get shuffled like this. If we have the blue entry because of Badger's color in chat, then we're going to be having a number 7 here, guys. Be careful with that one. Yeah, but it's not going to be both. Only your first choice is actually recognized and recorded. Your second choice is not recorded. It's not going to be the blue 7. Could be the blue number 5. Unfortunately, for the one sitting on number 7. It's the blue number 5. Congratulations for the winners. It's the blue number 5. There you go. Congratulations for the winners. Wish that would have been closer to number 7. Wish that would have been somewhere here. Congratulations for the winners. Somewhere around this level. Oh, yeah. Let's find it out. I think we have a ton. And we're going to have a funny game right now. 147. Ha 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 ha. Oh my gosh. And we're going to have a few extra scrambles. 157. You guys, along with some extra scrambles, will compete for a minute. And let me tell you, second plus fourth plus sixth plus the last qualifies second round. Second, fourth, sixth, and the last will qualify second round, guys. Best of luck. Best of luck. Control the speed. And do not tell me you didn't know. Do not tell me you didn't know. Do not tell me you didn't know. Yeah. 2, 4, 6, last. Do not tell me you didn't know. Purple is not going to win. Purple is not going to win. No, no. We have a paddle here. We can stop people out. Oh, there you go. NQ. There you go, NQ. Badger on the second. Oh my gosh, look at that. Badger on the second. Ken Nils on the fourth. Scramble on the sixth. What a scripted game, guys. Can you believe how rigged this is? Oh my gosh. Badger, Ken Nils was yesterday winning. How rigged is this, guys? Look at that. So now depends who's the last. Mike's gold. Oh, I was so close being the last. Mike's gold is the last. Look at that. Incredible, guys. Incredible. So we're going to start off with Mike's. Did you fill up the form? Yes. Alright, buddy. Mike's is here. Badger. He has diplomatic immunity. Badger is having... Not even going to verify anything, guys. Not going to verify anything. He has diplomatic immunity. So we're going to have Badger ranked and added. Ken Nils. Did you fill up, Ken Nils? Ken Nils is here. Congratulations. Give me 1 minute, guys. You gotta give me 1 minute to verify the next guy. I don't have diplomatic immunity. We're gonna take the next one. Who was the next one? Harris Shrum. Harris Shrum. There you go. You got to be lucky. You got to be lucky. There you go. Oh, let's just race once again. 30 seconds competition time. I didn't have diplomatic immunity. It's not the real Ken Nils, right? Okay. Let's go. Badger has diplomatic immunity. You can't take his place. He's having diplomatic immunity. Best of luck, everyone. The last ranked wins. The last. The last wins. Attention. The last wins. The last wins. This is a community that rewards laziness. And roll the guy that qualified on my place. Yes, Harishram. This guy that qualified on my place actually is the winner. What a crazy wild run. Such a scam, right? Oh my god. Told you the last one wins. That's crazy, guys. 50,000 Lucid Pro. Merci beaucoup. Continuing with a third giveaway. A heavy one. 50,000 YRM. 50,000 YRM for the third giveaway. Remember that. Remember that. Watch out for the numbers. We're going to have multiple entries. We're only going to have a single 1, a single 0, a single 1, double 2, and triple 7. You can start right now. You can start right now. Let me know your best choice. Single 0, single 1, double 2, triple 7. Let's go, guys. This is a 50,000 YRM. Stop right there. No more guesses, it's over. Stop right there. And I'm going to add bonuses. Plus one more 50k. What do you guys think about for a bonus time? Plus two more 50k. That's actually a double bonus. So next to the original, you can qualify for two more. Think about it. I'll have an entry. Extra entry for one more. And an extra for two more. Best of luck, everyone. Double bonus, guys, a possibility. If we hit that two more, and you keep it, you don't lose it between your fingers. You already know, that could be the two more, guys, but it's not going to be the two more. We're going to pass through that. Might be the number 7 in between. Might be the number 7, guys. Got to hit the brake. We shouldn't go for the yellow two more. We should not go for the yellow two more. We have to stop here. If the paddle works... Oh my god. Oh my god, that's going to be two more. Two more. Two more 50,000, so that means 3 accounts. But let me tell you something. You might lose this between your fingers, right? So now, you have to protect your price. You have to protect it. You can't take it for granted. There is a chance for you to lose it, or there is a chance for you to keep it, as you deserve. Or as you prefer, or as you desire, or as you are. So that's going to be exactly the two number 7s right there. We're not going to stop here. No, push. Push. That's going to be the blue number 7. Oh my gosh. So we have 3 YRM accounts. That's crazy, guys. We have 3 YRM accounts. It's gonna be the blue number 7. That's crazy. We never had 3 accounts in a single giveaway. Oh my god, chat. Oh. We're not gonna have dinner tonight. We're gonna sit on potatoes the whole week. No dinner tonight. Beans and potatoes. Unbelievable. Fake buffer. Fake buffer. You have to put that on. This is crazy. Number 7 for the winners. Wow. This is crazy, guys. $98? You know, I have to put in like 100 scrambles here. There's no way you guys can win everything. Let me fix this. I can still fix this, guys. I can fix this. And I fill up the form in a minute. Let me fill up the form right now. Yeah, let me fill up the form right now. Where's the link? Give me the link, guys. I have to fix this. Oh my gosh. So here's the link. Quickly, load up. Quickly, come on. Enter your email. YouTube. What's my YouTube username? I've never checked that, guys. What's the username? Copy, paste it quickly. Verify. Come on. Where's the phone? Give me the email. Quickly. 20 seconds to go. Fill up the form, Scrambo. Formula, you gotta deliver this quickly. We have no time. I'll have a take. Bathroom. We're gonna go bathroom, pause. Formula. Do something. Who's winning out here? Formula. Why there's no... Oh, look at that. There you go. I haven't told you the winners. I gotta tell you who's winning, guys. So first one is winning, obviously. Plus third, plus fifth, plus the last. These are the ones that will win. First, third, fifth, and the last. Oh. That's crazy. Look at that. Still haven't got the email. But I don't think I need it by looking at this. I don't even need it. I don't even need it. Oh yeah. So first, third, fifth, and the last. I might need it for the last. Wait. Where is the spam? I'm not getting it, guys, so quickly. Alright. I'm gonna risk. I don't have it yet. I'll be risking. Right, so... 3 accounts we give out. 3 accounts. 1. Alright, so the first one. Overrain. You got this one. Third, Trader 07. Trader 07. Where are you, Trader 07? Here. Congratulations. Right, so out of this 4... Yes. 4 accounts qualify, but 3 will be winning. That's quite harsh, right? So, who's the... Julian is here as well. And then who is the last? What if it's Scramble the last? Dr. Kulu. Oh my gosh, I was so close being the last. Dr. Kulu is the last. Look at that one. It was so close being the last for Scramble, and I didn't have time to fill up the form. And that would have been a shame. Right? Dr. Cool. So we got a 4 players. Competing 30 seconds, guys, but watch out. 4 players out here. 4 players. The winners will be 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. The first one is not winning anything. Right, so 2nd, 3rd, and 4th will receive accounts. The first one is not going to receive anything. Not today. 2nd, 3rd, and the 4th. Come on, guys. Who's going to win? Tell me. Who's going to speed up? Who's going to speed up, guys? Julian. Unfortunately, Julian. Oh. Julian Imsa. Unfortunately, you got this one. No way. That's crazy. Congratulations for the winners. Congratulations for the winners. There you go. Congratulations for the winners. That's a massive one. Someone is breaking the keyboard, guys. Call the ambulance. Unfortunately. Yeah, it's kind of complicated out here. Crazy, guys. Look at that one. Celebration time. Celebration time. Let's go, guys, for the round of applause. And fireworks bust. Boom. There you go. Beautiful day. Another one for you. And one more for you. No, we stopped that. There we are. That's pretty much all about it, guys. Oh, what did we touch? 135? Look at that one. We touched 135, the one I've been preaching. Did you guys monetize that? We touched 135, the one I've been preaching. So I hope you monetize it. Did you guys monetize the 135 I've been preaching? You want to call the... How do you have in Italian? All the piazza, you know. Oh, how do you call these guards that are sitting in the piazza? Piazza del Popolo. How do you have them? Your police. They got a funny name, your police. The Spanish have Guardia Civil. You have a different one. On Discord, you reach out to me on Discord. Not Polizia Municipale. The other ones. It's different, right? It's not the Municipale. Never mind, never mind. You gotta walk out in Piazza del Popolo. And watch for them. Carabinieri, exactly. Carabinieri. There you go. Carabinieri. Exactly. So, this is where we are, guys. This is where we are for today. That's pretty much all on the subject. Little money has been made, but sufficient. And great giveaways have been offered. There you go. Not recently. All the good times. Fun times. Thank you so much. Talk to you on Discord. We keep in touch tomorrow. Have a